Hey, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne, aka BWC. Today we're going to open this radio control boat called Adventure Force Mini Boat. It's a rechargeable battery in the boat. It has a little radio controller. As you can see here, we'll open it, show you how to charge it and get it all going, and we'll take it out and see how it runs. Okay, here's the boat. You can see the box came in. I got this from Walmart, and it was only like 10 bucks. Pretty good little deal, I think, if it works. Let's see if we can open it and get it going here. Let's see, now here's the boat. Oh, here's the instructions. Takes 4 AA batteries. There's the instruction manual. Tells you how to operate it and all. Let's see how we get this out of here. I think we gotta peel those little things off. There's your controller. There seems to be an antenna right down here. Right there. And it screws in right there. I guess it does. Oh, it screws in right there. Sorry, wrong spot. There we go. It says to open right there, like so. There's your charger. Plugs into your boat. We'll get to that in a minute. There you go. Forward, reverse, right and left. Off and on. So we'll take the thing apart and put the batteries in it here. Okay. Let's put the antenna down. I think for now we're going to take the antenna off so it'll be out of our way. Okay, we'll set it right over out of the way. Let's put the batteries in it. Okay, there we go. Your batteries, they go in right here. Your back goes back on, like so. Screw it down. There we go. Okay, let's take the boat out here. Seems to be all taped down. There we go. Bring the boat out here like so. Bring out of the way. Nice looking little boat. There's where your charger goes in, looks like. Guess that's a battery compartment for your chargeable battery. Remember how this thing opened in the front right here? There's your charger. Plugs in like so. Charges your boat. See your lights on your controller. We let it charge and we'll be ready to go. See what it says on charging here. Doesn't say. Six to 8 minutes. That's what it takes to charge it, it says. Okay. We're going to charge it and we'll be ready to go. Okay, the boat has to be in the water or it won't come on. If you try doing it on dry land, it won't work. Just turn the switch on. There's your forward. Left, right. There's even a reverse, see there? It's kind of messy, but there it is. This is kind of a small tub. It's the only thing I had. I'm going to go take it in the house and we'll fill up the bathtub and use it for a little bit. See how it works there. Back it up. Whoa, water gets all over it like that. Okay, let's take it in the house.